How'd it fall? I don't know, it fell.
I know, dude. The top is what it is.
Some skate video, cause Simon invited me. He's using me for my cameras, whatever though. It's whatever. I'm just here chilling. I ain't got nothing better to do anyways. So yeah, we're on a new spot. So me and Dylan took a detour from where they're going to the new spot, and we're going to check out some softball. I mean, yeah, softball. Yeah, go softball. No, softball. Alright, but anyways. Skirt, work. In the works. Alright, ready? Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Is this SBO?
Yeah, let's go to FPL.
Right.
Let's go.
Probably, but hey, like no, she is not.
Yeah, she's nowhere.
Oh. Yeah, look at the girl on top of. I'm trying to be like this one day. Oh, y'all can't even see, bro. Right there. How is she? What? Damn, look at she hitting it. She hitting it over there. Yup. See her? Yup. Hit that. Ugly ass dancing. Hit that. Alright, anyways, we're going back. We lost them. We gotta go back because we got a beat to her. And she's never mind. And yeah, we gotta go find them. Go ahead, hit it. Hit that. Hit it. Oh my god. Hit it.
I hit it.
Oh my god, he didn't hit nothing. Fountain. Hit it. Look like a girl from the back. Anyways, they're way over there. And we're way over here.
Alright, go.
Out here, back at the new spot.
Yeah.
Shit.
Remote hard.
We're just skating and I don't even know how to skate, bro. Like what? How are we skating and I don't know how to skate?
I want one of those.
What you want? Tell them what you want.
A Ducati Hyper Motard.
Make it work. We'll own a Ducati Hyper Motard one day, swear to God. Bitch. Anyways, yeah, we're chilling now. Now recording chilling and I don't know what the f we're doing. So, yeah. Still out here recording, we're waiting. We're watching Wild 'N Out on the tube, and they're back there recording. So yeah, we're just chilling out, whatever. Ha! Oh, busted ass. Said I can skate. Go. Round 2. Oh my god. Yeah, this try. Fuck you, Dylan. I seen you. What'd you do? Dude, trying to be slick over here texting people on my phone. Alright, so we're over here chilling at the softball game. We left them. We were like, F that. Let's go watch some softball. And so we got do.
What's up, girl, on second?
We're over here chilling at the softball game. Let's go. So
It's a wrap.
Anyways, we're all done now, and
Gotta find something to do.
24 hours later, we're done filming a 1-minute video, and he better make it on the Insta, because, yeah.
Either way, I'm getting 20 bucks.
Are you?
I don't know.
But yeah, we're gonna go find something to eat. Where are we gonna eat?
Shut up. You're talking about Chipotle?
Chipotle is good. Why don't you like Chipotle?
I don't know. I don't mind it, actually. I was just saying it. This bitch.
Don't they have a Qdoba out there, too?
Yeah, it's right across the street, actually.
Is that good, too? I've never had that.
What an idiot. Okay.
That dude's goofy as fuck.
They all are. Yeah, bros.
My dog.
So fireworks are legal now in Iowa, so guess what we're doing? This struggle. Oh, you got it.
Did you get burnt?
Back up on you.
I'm scared. It's gonna keep over me.
Oh
my god.
Oh!
Alright, I'm going upstairs. Yeah, bring him in. Ow!
Hey, shot right going to us.
That went into the biggest house, bro.
Holy shit. Dude, I was not focused on filming after it tipped over though.
Holy shit, alright, let's get out, let's get out. Let's go downstairs, grab everything. That was bad, that was bad.
What was that?
That was bad.